up, everybody? This your boy Spanky coming at you with another one. Been a while. Gotta get up with my man Monster. He in Baltimore, I'm in Delaware. So we're gonna give him a call on FaceTime, see what's going on. Let's see what he got going on. Alright, I'm about to FaceTime you. Damn!
Fuck, I just see.
Damn! Look at you, yo. You look like Eric Sermon, the generic version.
I gotta have my flop hat on, yo.
I like that flop hat. I got one of those, a bucket.
Yeah, yo, gotta have it on, yo.
Yeah, yo.
My wife hate these. Yo, she hate these motherfuckers.
She ain't nothing wrong with the bucket. All right, yo, let's do this. So, yeah, yo, I heard you got some new parts, man. What you got going on over there?
Oh, man, it's a little something that my man, Mr. Mike, RCMAX, sent me out. You know, just to finish up the bill and get it right.
All right. Make a video real quick, shoot it over to me, and let's see what you're working with. I know you.
Absolutely.
I know you're ready to shut them boys down.
Yeah, that's what we do, man. We two-stroke it racing, yo, all day.
That's right. That's right.
All day, shorty.
All right, that's what's up, man. I'm about to check.
Sorry, let me rephrase that so y'all can understand. We two-stroke it mafia.
Mafia.
We the mafia.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what's up. All right. All right, send me that video, man. Let me see what you're working with.
Absolutely.
All right, brother. All right, peoples. There it is. Let's check out this little video he's sending me. Hope y'all like it. Holla at your boy. Peace.
All right, peoples. That's what I'm talking about. Got a goodie box at the door. Call my buddy, Mr. Mike, aka RCMAX, and he always come through. The best in the business. Let's get in here and see what we got as we walk in. Let's get over here and see what we got going on. Table a little messy right now. Just a little bit because I've been working. Shout out Track Day Hobbies. These tire huggers, wheel huggers, however you want to call it. Let's just see what we got going on here. See what's in this box. See the goodies. See what we got in this box. Got some goodies. You know, special delivery stuff for me. You know how we do it. Nothing but the best. Nice titanium axle. Gotta keep one on deck. Ooh, look at this. Yeah. You know, so look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Man. Look at that work. Y'all already know what goes to that. Whew. Nice craftsmanship. Appreciate the fast delivery, Mike. RCMAX. Y'all want to know where to get the goodies? That's where I go. Whew. That thing is pretty, man. All right, brought it outside. Give it a quick fire up with another new addition to the setup. See what we got going on here.